Hey, what's up, Jooba people? 1, 2, 3, 4, and... Cool beans. That's it for the demonstration. So this is the tutorial for more advanced players, intermediate advanced players, and it's going to be super fun. There's a lot of cool little tricks here. You'll see on the chart that it says E C sharp minor, but it's actually a C7 sus2, so it's not really a minor chord, but in the context it works as a minor chord. Because in the key of E, C sharp is a C sharp minor. So actually what you... So you just played the C sharp minor as a C7 sus2 chord. Let me show you the chords actually. So for the E, we just got a normal E, and then we got the C sharp minor, but then you just take those two fingers off. Okay, that's a pretty interesting way to play it. So we got... into the C sharp minor. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down. That's basically it, right? Let me show you that riff. So it's on the B string, but you hit the E string open. Just those two strings. Okay. Alternatively, you could also play the E here. But on the Howard Stern show in 1999, he played it like live, like this, which sounds really good to my ear. Okay, and then on the verse you go to an A, and you can play with these two fingers. Then you go like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go. You don't do this finger here, you just go. There goes my hero, dark and heavy. And then you play an E chord, and then you do da. It's like an octave, no D string. So you go E, 6, 7, 11, 6, 8. It's actually a very beautiful composition-wise. Very beautifully written song. And then the little riff after the chorus, it's also in the intro. You go F sharp, boom, So there are alternative ways to play this. You could put a capo on the 4th fret and play in the key of E, like it's key of C. You could put capo on the 2nd fret and play it in the key of D. You could do that kind of thing. I'm just putting the capo on all the strings except the 5th string, so that makes it a D chord has an open E. So but this is essentially an E because you got the capo on 2nd fret, so you get the idea. Okay, I'm talking too much, and yeah, that's cool. Cheers guys. Have a nice day. Bye.